Hi, hello, namaste. This is A Praveen. Here, with you a new topic that belongs to human and colorful world. In this human and colorful world, I will explain you the new topic that is how to find out a maximum focal length of human eyelids. In the previous video, we have discussed about a minimum focal length of eyelids that is 2.27 centimeters. In this video, I'm going to explain that maximum focal length of eyelids. Here, the maximum focal length of eyelids will be adjusted by the ciliary muscles. If you observe the object which is placed far from you, it is very far from you, that we can consider as here infinity. Healthy person can see the object up to a long distance, what we can consider as infinity here. So what happens when the object is placed at infinity distance from you? That we can observe here clearly in the diagram. So let us draw the outer structure of a eye. Here, human eye consists of double convex lens. What happens if you put the object at infinity? In this, we are not going to represent the object, only we will consider the parallel beam of light rays that enters through the lens into your eye onto the retina. So here, object is placed at infinity. We know clearly that image will be formed on the retina because you are able to see. Based on that concept, we are going to explain this one. So here, object we are going to consider at infinity distance, that image is formed on the retina. That means converging of light rays will be on the retina after refraction through eye lens. So here, object distance is at infinity. So u equal to, we'll write as minus infinity according to sign convention. Then what is in image distance? Here, the image is on the retina. As we know that distance between the lens and the screen is 2.50 centimeters. Then automatically v equal to image distance, v equal to 2.50 centimeter. Here, the focal length will be adjusted by your ciliary muscles is maximum. So f equal to, we'll write as f maximum. Then to find out the maximum focal length of eyelids, we'll use the lens formula. As we know that is 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So lens formula written. Let us substitute the values of quantities f, v and u here. 1 by f is substituted as f maximum here. That is equals to, here v is replaced by 2.50 minus 1 by u is minus infinity substituted here. That implies 1 by f maximum is equal to, we'll write as here 1 by 2.50 as this. Then in the second term, minus into minus will become plus. 1 by infinity will be written as 0. Here, as we know mathematically, that is 1 by infinity equal to 0. From that, I am substituted 1 by infinity equal to 0. Then the second term in the previous will be written as plus 0 here after a multiplication. Then the next term will be here 1 by f maximum is equal to 1 by 2.50. I got 1 by f maximum equal to 1 by 2.50. From these, I'm going to write the reciprocals. So this is implies to reciprocal writing means LHS will be written as f maximum, then RHS will be written as 2.50. Then the units are here centimeters because the object image distance and object distance is measured in centimeters or etc. So according to that units, I will get centimeters here. From this, I'm able to decide the maximum focal length of human eye is 2.50. It will be adjusted by ciliary muscles if you see the object which is at infinity distance or very far from your eye, before your eye. So this is the concept. That means maximum focal length of human eye lens will be calculated like this. I think it is clear to you. So thank you. Please like, comment and share it. Thank you.